if this has found you on December 15th, then this is your message, okay? Take what resonates, leave what does not. But I have a feeling that by the end of this reading, you're going to be shaking your head in resonance. So, that being said, shuffle a deck, get some fresh energy going, and let's see what you need to know for today. Okay, so right away, the High Priestess came out immediately. This is making me feel like a lot of you guys are having like this third eye awakening, like Kundalini energy, and I feel like you guys will be able to hone in on this if you start practicing releasing energy from your body. I feel like a lot of you guys are super psychic, and maybe you want to tap into those abilities, but you're wondering like where to begin, or maybe you've already got some tools. Maybe you've got some tarot cards, maybe you got a pendulum, maybe you got some crystals, and you're like, I really want to tap into this. I really want to make it bigger than what it is right now. I want to tap in. I want to be more on point, but how do I do that? And I feel like what's holding you back is some energy that's been stuck in your body. There's some energy that you have not channeled, right? So it's just sitting in your body, and I want you to think of like a pipe, right? Or like arteries that get clogged. Whenever they get clogged, we can't flow, right? Or just like your drain, like your bathroom drain. If we get too much hair in that drain, it gets clogged and we can't flow. That's kind of what's happening with your energy. You've had some things happen and you haven't, ignoring it is not channeling that energy. Ignoring it is just getting it out of your mind and putting it down into your body. And then your body doesn't know what to do with that, so it just hangs on to it. And eventually, this is why a lot of people get autoimmune disease. That's why a lot of people get chronic pain, stomach issues, back pain. I tell you what, autoimmune disorders, these are symptoms of blocked energy most of the time. Not all the time. Sometimes your soul signs up for crazy things, but a lot of the time that's what's going on here. So I feel like if you're wanting your third eye to open up more, if you're wanting to be really sensitive to energy, if you're wanting to be an amazing channel, an amazing psychic, this is where you need to begin. A great way to do this would be through yoga. Yoga is amazing at releasing stuck energy from the body, okay? And, this is a collective reading, so what you need to do specifically might be different than the next person. So like I said, take what resonates, but, therapy, journaling, talking to a trusted friend, doing the yoga, doing somatic releases, learning to calm your nervous system. There are different ways to do this, These are things that you can do to help you with your abilities. And when you can learn to channel that energy through your body, you will become a crystal clear channel and your messages will hit spot on every time. So if you're wondering, how do I get unstuck? That's how. Also, if you want to learn how to read tarot, I do have a whole entire tarot series of how to read on my YouTube. So head over to my YouTube. It's in the link in my bio, and it will give you the playlist, and you can just watch the whole thing, and that'll help you tap in as well. Okay, I'll see you guys next time.